Hello guys, welcome to another Wednesday trade recap and forecast. So we have done the last recap from around here, so from last Wednesday. As you can see, price is flat on the euro and US dollar. I didn't have any potential trades, I didn't have any orders on. What I was paying attention to, so this was all very corrective, this was all very range bound for me personally, but what definitely caught my eye was this V reversal. What I know from my back testing is usually when you see a V reversal like this, we get a range, or we even get no range, and then we go down and we start a nice downtrend. So when the price continued down with large bearish legs, I definitely got very interested to sell because I was expecting a downtrend to start like this. Okay, unfortunately that didn't happen. I did not get any potential entries. Instead, bullish pressure just kicked in, and again some very strong bullish legs negated this whole setup for me. Okay, because when I'm looking to sell, I definitely don't want to see large bullish pressure coming up like this. So unfortunately did not get an entry, but we are being more patient. We're waiting for better price action and some more high probability setups to form. So we kind of went back into the range, right? This is now still stuck in this flat range bound price action. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for a large impulse up or a large impulse down from here. Currently I'm not seeing any nice ascending or descending channel, any trend, any high probability patterns. So I'm just looking for momentum up or momentum down. Very simple. I want to see price break out of this upper level or break this lower level. Actually break out of maybe this low. Okay, that would be a area of interest for me personally. So EU is not on the watch list. We can go on to EJ, Euro Japanese Yen. Let's see last Wednesday. Last Wednesday was around here. After that, we kind of ranged around. Okay, we were range bound. We were flat in this general area. And then we went down and descended right here. So this is a descending, but it's a corrective descending. Okay, so it's not the cleanest descending channel. We are breaking the lows and breaking the highs, so that means the descending is not that clean. When I want to see a clean descending, I want to see only the consecutive lows being broken like this. Okay, that is what I want to see in the markets. This is too corrective. But again, it may clean up, so my forecast for the next few days, again, we know that the Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays, we may get some action, we may get some nice trends. Let's see if this can clean up a bit. Let's see if it can show me a cleaner descending and then a nice reversal trend to the upside, in which case I will be looking to buy on the uptrend. Okay, so that's my plan for the euro and the Japanese yen. Again, it may kick up with strong momentum or kick down with strong momentum as well. That may happen, but I need to see a large impulse. I need to see some large strong momentum in that case. If we do create a nice clean descending, well, then the momentum does not have to be that strong, because I would spot that the price has cleaned up in the descending here, meaning a high probability setup is very likely to form and a trend is very likely to happen as well. So that's the plan for the euro and the Japanese yen. Is this on the watch list? No, it's not. I mean, the descending is very corrective for me personally. I am not really expecting a nice reversal trend from this price action, so I'm not putting it on the watch list. Aussie US dollar. Let's see, there was this, I took a trade here. If you want to look at it, it's in the last recap. It was a loss. Then we ascended and then we went flat. Okay, so dollar pairs are definitely very flat at this current point. Flat in the general area. Last Wednesday was around here, again ascending, flat. Was I looking for anything here? No, I was not. Only thing I had my eye on is, will this V reversal play out, right? This was a clean V reversal in my opinion. Nice leg up, nice leg down. I was expecting it to go down, show me a nice downtrend. Unfortunately, that did not happen. So we just ranged around And yeah, now we're stuck in this general area. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside like this. That is what I'm looking for on the Aussie and US dollar. I'm expecting more range bound price action. Again, this is all very flat. So yeah, does not look promising at this current point, but we have just started with the trending days. Wednesday has just started. We still have Thursday and we have Friday as well. Moving on, Aussie Japanese yen. So let's see, last Wednesday was around here, I believe. Yes. Some people had a buy limit here because they saw some bullish pressure. For me, this was not enough bullish pressure to look for trade. I was not interested in buys at this area. Then we went flat right here. And then we went kind of in a corrective descending, same as the euro and the Japanese yen. But look, it's very, very corrective. Look at the volatility inside of it. So huge candles going up, huge candles going down, again, huge candles up, again, huge candles down. Breaking these lows, breaking the highs as well. Here, high break, so not looking promising. What I want to see is the same forecast as on the euro and the Japanese yen. I want to see this descending clean up a bit and then show me a nice reversal trend in the opposite direction. Or just to move away completely from this range-bound price action or this corrective price action, it's better to say, to the downside or to the upside. So this pair ain't on the watch list either. Let's move on. We have the pound and US dollar. So looks like it's gonna be a quick video today. Again, corrective price action. It's nothing we can do about it. We can only prepare to see some better price action. Let's see, last Wednesday. Yeah, I was very, very interested to look for buys here. Okay, at this point, I think I may have covered it in the last recap, but nice clean descending. Only the lows were broken 3 times and then nice bullish pressure. Those are kind of the patterns that I love. Those are the patterns that I look for regularly in the markets. Do they happen very often? No, they do not happen very often, but when they do happen, they do produce nice trades and nice trends as well. Here, I didn't have any entries that fit my plan, okay, because bearish pressure kicked back in. So that negated any entry setup for me personally. What happened then is an uptrend did not start in the end. Again, it's not going to happen every single time. It's all about the probabilities. But 70 to 80% of the time, when you see a nice clean descending channel and a nice strong reversal in the opposite direction, a nice trend will start like this, okay? So now this was ascending, definitely. This was definitely ascending. Correctively ascending, I have to say. So again, let's repeat. When I want to see a clean ascending, I want to see only the highs being broken. And what can I spot in this one? I can see low break, low break, low break, high, 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 low break, high, 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 low break here. Oh, or sorry, low break here. So it was not the case that only the highs were being broken. Overall, sure, you can draw this as an ascending, but when I'm looking for an ascending or descending, I want to see it being a clean one. This is not a clean one. We did have a V reversal, and this pair was 100% on the watch list at this point. Not this point, but a bit lower. We had a V reversal as on all of the dollar pairs. And at this point, when we saw this major bullish pressure, I was really, really looking at this. I was looking to get in on a sell. Again, ascending channel, corrective one, but still ascending. What I liked the most, what gave me confidence was the V reversal, okay? What I say, when you see a V, usually a downtrend will start. So I had 2 confluences for the price to continue trending to the downside. So yeah, I did like this price action. Bearish pressure was nice. Strong bearish legs. Okay, strong bearish legs. But unfortunately, again, no entry for me. Nothing fit my plan. What did happen? Look at this. So major bullish pressure started to kick in. That's something I don't want to see if I'm looking to sell right here in this area. So some setups that form, but no entry patterns, especially in the pound. Look to buy here, look to sell right here. Maybe it's for the better because as you can see, price didn't really push up and price didn't push down at all. So yeah, this time maybe it's better. Maybe I saved myself a 1% loss, but I was definitely seeing some potential with the descending here, with this corrective ascending, the V reversal. It looked nice, definitely. The bearish pressure was really nice as well. I know I blabber on that on the pound I need to see major bearish pressure, and this is what I'm talking about, okay? This is what I want to see on the pound. This is what I like to see on the pound. Look at this pressure. Look at the amount of selling that's happening right here. That is what I'm looking for. Compare this to all of the momentum in the prior price action. That's something I want to see. Okay, I think we have covered that. Then we got a bit of a V reversal, not the cleanest. When I want to see a clean V reversal, I want to see same sort of momentum going up, same sort of momentum going down. Here, it was major bearish pressure, bullish pressure, and then it started to phase off. Okay, so not the cleanest V reversal. And then we push up. Right now, this is not looking like it has much potential in my personal opinion. If it continues up with strong momentum, I'll look to buy. In that scenario, this would be a nice setup, but I need to see strong bullish pressure. If we just go bearish, do this, I don't think I'll look for anything. I don't think I'll look for an entry here. It would just kind of go back into this range corrective price action. So if I'm really looking to sell, I'm gonna have to see a strong downtrend like this, strong, large downtrend with the legs of the downtrend with this size. Okay. So that's my forecast for the pound. It is not on the watch list. NJ, New Zealand Japanese yen. Look at this. It was extremely corrective. Last Wednesday was around here. Huge wick, huge wick, huge wicks all over the place. Small wicks all over the place. Volatile candles all over the place. So some very, very corrective, some very, very, I would say, volatile price action. Not something I want to touch if I'm a trend trader. Okay, I want to stay away from this sort of price action. What I looked for is right here. I was very interested to look for sales. These three candles just by themselves looked like some major bearish pressure. They looked really nice. Large bodies of the candles, clean close here as well. So I was very interested to look for sells, flag, or even a break and a retest. So what did happen? Well, unfortunately, again, major bullish pressure, another V reversal happened. So no entries at that point. If I'm looking to sell, I don't want to see any major bullish pressure. Broke the high, retrace, broke the low, retrace, broke the high. So yeah, very volatile again. This sort of price action is now repeating itself right here. I'm not touching this pair with a stick. I'm staying away. I want to see more momentum like we saw here, okay? I want to see these sort of candles, this sort of legs. That is what I trade for, okay? That's my best sort of scenario when I see large pressure and nice, clean, strong candles. Just looking for that, to the upside or to the downside. That's my plan. That's my forecast for this week. And yeah, that's about it. So none of the pairs is currently showing me any potential setups for the strategy that I trade. Maybe you can make a case for the euro and the Japanese yen with this very corrective descending, but I would not put it on the watch list just yet. Okay, I want to see some either bullish or bearish pressure, or I want to see it descend a bit more. Show me a cleaner descending. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys took some value. Again, stay alert. This is, I believe, the last week of January. Maybe we get some setups. January, as I said, has always been a good month for me. Not always, but most of the time in my backtesting, it has been a nice trending month. Let's see. Maybe the last week will be trending. So good luck with your trading for this week, for the next week as well. I'll see you again most likely on Wednesday next week. And that would be about it for this video.